Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I have an unboxing. This has actually got a box in it and I'm not 100% sure which company it's from, so we'll get into it and have a look and see what we've got. It's come in a little plastic bag, but I do feel a box in it, so I think I know who it's from. And oh yes, I have been treating myself again. What can I say? So it's from Cateared, and some of the very first paintings that I got were from Cateared. I won also a competition on their Facebook page and did get $100 worth of diamond paintings free, which when you've just started out was absolutely wonderful. My first mystery painting came from Cateared as well, and I've still got it. It was a glow in the dark one and it still glows in the dark. So this one, it's got a little bit bashed, but that's okay. That's what boxes are for, to take the bashing so the canvases don't. And no, we don't have a picture on it, so no spoilers. Okay, so it's come very fast actually as well. I think it's less than 2 weeks since I ordered it, so that's really good. And it has come direct from Cateared themselves. It was, somebody showed this one on one of the Facebook groups that I belong, and I just fell in love with it. I thought, oh, I love that, I've got to try that. I've not tried one of their kits like this before, so I thought, yeah, I'm going to get that. And I contacted July at Cateared and just said, you know, have you still got this available, because it's no longer available on Amazon. I think because this lady had shown it, everybody had gone and ordered it. And she said, no, it's not on Amazon, but it is on our website. And I got 10% off as well, which was, yay, we always like money off. So this is our painting. Oh no, this is our paint. This is our drills. And as you can see, it's a square crystal. And I've not done a square crystal before. And I just thought, yeah, I'm going to give that a go. Look at those colours. Oh, that's superb. That is stunning. I like that. Okay. We've got a Mosfer white boat with a spout. We've got a glittery single placer pen with a lovely purple grip on it. And that's a 3-placer, one of the old type 3-placers. But as I say, I find that these work really well for special drill diamonds, just for picking up singles. I mean, you could maybe pick up 2 with this. It is a 3-placer, but you'd maybe pick up 2 squares with it. But yeah, because there's a bigger surface area to pick up a special drill, particularly the bigger ones, I tend to use those for that. So that's that little bit of the toolkit. What else have we got? Oh, look! And we're all matching. Yay! And I do love these. It's a macaroon with your wax in. Yay! And we've got a good chunk of wax there. And it is the red wax as well, which is the better wax. And once this has gone, you can actually then add more wax to it, because it is quite airtight. I wouldn't say, you know, to put liquid in, I wouldn't say it's that airtight, but certainly to keep your wax nice and movable, shall we say, then it's definitely worth having. But yeah, purple and purple, love that. I like the fact that it's all matching. And then this is the canvas. Just move those out of the way for a second. And it is this gorgeous flower. Look at that. Look at the colours on that. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's the little thumbnail. We are a 40 by 30, and it is 30 different colours. And yes, we do have DMC codes, which is brilliant, because as I'm doing my storage, my special drill storage, I'll now have DMC codes for some of the squares, so I can start matching up and get into colour order and DMC number. I'm going to have an awful lot of drills if I have all the rounds, all the squares in crystals, and then have them in resin and acrylic, And yeah, I'm going to have more storage than anything. But these will match up with the squares that I got in my advent calendar at Christmas. So that's good as well, because that was a Cateared advent calendar. And I think, did we get 4 or 5 lots of square gems? I don't know, I can't remember. But yeah, so let's just move this little top cover and just flatten it down a little bit, get some of these creases out. But yeah, I do like the canvases. So I've done a square, my mystery painting, my first mystery painting I did was a square, and I was very happy with it. I say it was the wave, it was that way, yeah, it was that way, the wave, but it was a mystery painting, and as I said, it was the first one I did, and I had the whole family guessing as to what it was going to be, and we had all sorts of different guesses, but nobody guessed a wave. But yeah, it's really impressive when it's done. And I think that was maybe a 40. It was bigger than this. It was bigger than 40 by 30. So yeah. So it's a nice canvas. It's quite a roughish back, but it's a very easy to manipulate, easy to move canvas. Quite soft. Nothing stiff about this one. We've got all the social media at the bottom there. We have lots like Messenger there, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, TikTok, and Cateared.com as the website. So yeah, you can contact them there. Let's have a look what we've got. We've got 1 to 9, which are all 1 to 9, which is wonderful. And we have A down to Y. So it's all numbers and capital letters. We've got E and F are a little bit similar colours there. Oops. E and F are a little bit similar colours, so I'll have to watch that. And are they in the similar place? Yeah, and they're in a similar place. So I'll have to watch for that while I'm doing it, and just be careful. But other than that, I think that's pretty good. We've got no P, so we've got R and P, but they are different colours. Key code on both sides, so that's good. And it is a little crimped edge, which does stop fraying, and your little dotty edge as well. So to be honest, I've had an odd thread on a canvas, but I've never had one fray that's pulled right across a canvas. And as I say, I've said before, I do find it such a shame to have that, because it's so pretty. I suppose you could use nail varnish remover or something to take the edges off and leave it with the serged edge, but then if you put it into a frame, you probably won't see that anyway. But it is sad because it's so pretty. But anyway, look at those colours. Those flowers are absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, full drill square. I've got round ones. I have started my tiger with the pink nose. But yeah, just thought I'm going to have a go at a square and see how they fit together, and see whether you get popping drills or anything. Hopefully not, because I think I can imagine, because they're a gem, that you possibly don't get like the extra bits on, and they tend to be a more regimented shape, a square, rather than having knobbly bits on the edges. Okay, so I think you'll see that drill field is pretty clear. Where even the dark colours with the lighter letters on are good. I just keep looking at this. I just want to sit and stare at it for ages. Right, let's have a look at these drills. We have got an inventory sheet, which is lovely. Wow, square gems. Okay, and 30 colours. Right, so we've got a nice clear inventory sheet there. Ooh. Okay, so it's not got the code on it. That's strange. So it's Crystal Flower by, is that E. Stein? So this is a licensed artwork, which is wonderful. But look at that picture. I just saw it and I just fell in love. And as I say, I'm sure a lot of other people did as well, because it did sell out really quickly. But yeah, that's unusual. I mean, it's easy enough to write your 1, 2, 9 and then your capital letters in. But then you've not got your colours, have you? How strange. Not seen that before. Okay. So we've got the numbers of the drills as matching this. No code. I wonder if they've just missed that off. We've got your DMC number, the amount that you've got. That's quite unusual. But anyway, they are useful. I just put them in my little logbooks so that I can see them. Oh, let's give it a quick measure as well. Let's get my little tape measure out and we'll have a quick measure before we look at these drills. She says hopefully. So the actual drill field is 40 centimetres, which is the other thing that I've found with Cateared canvases, that they are the true to size. The drill area is actually the size that it says on the canvas, which is even better. You know, you are getting the size canvas. Usually with a poured glue, quite often find that it's the full size canvas that's the 30 by 40, but no, this is actually true to size. So it's a good size picture. And yep, again, 30 centimetres, which is 12 inches. So yeah, the quality and everything has stayed the same with Cateared. Say it must be a couple of years since I got the first painting from them. But yeah, they do quite a few other things as well, and they are on Etsy, so you can check them out on Etsy and their website and on Amazon. Okay, so let's have a look at these colours. Wow. So look at that sparkly gold there. And ooh, look at those blues. There's going to be some really good contrast in there. As I say, I can't see that these aren't actual proper squares, proper square shapes. They do look really good. And we've got a gorgeous royal purple there. And ooh, they're sticking together, another gold. On the actual bag itself, you have got the number and the DMC code, and then we've got the weight in each one as well, so that's good. Lovely colour, all bagged up as well, so if you like working from bags, you don't even need to kit this one up. And that's a lovely aqua blue, palish pink, and a very pale gold, very nice. And a beautiful bright orange like that one. And look what I've just seen, hot pink. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I can't see any trash or knobbly bits or squares that haven't got good squared off edges. They just look really good to me. And that's your 310 black there. Very shiny. And oh, look, another variation on hot pink. That's a deeper hot pink. Don't like my pinks. And a green. And that's a very, very pale. Oh, that one's slightly open. We'll give that a bit of a squidge. Very, very pale pink with a little green one that's decided to join in. Look, must have been more fun in this bag. So they've all joined in the party in this bag instead on the way here. And a nice red. And some more blues. And a couple of shades of orange again there. Oh, this is going to look stunning. The colours are just wonderful and all sparkly. It's just going to really stand out on the wall. This is definitely one that's going on the wall. And another, that's more of a purpley hot pink, not quite hot pink. And green, and oh, another, look at that pink. So we've got 3 variations on hot pink and one that's trying to join in but just not quite made it. And a green and a red. Okay, oops. And then what have we got for last? We've got a paley purpley colour and then a very dark blue. That's gorgeous. Sort of a purpley off, well, maybe more purple than, ooh, I don't know, it changes colour in the light, that one. Pale blue, another purple, like a, I don't know, it's like a rosy pinky colour. and then a dark purple, and I think that is a purple as well. So we've got some very subtle shade changes on this. So it's going to look really good. You're going to get a real depth of colour going across on this with all the different letters that it's showing as well. Yeah, this is going to be stunning when it's done. Oh, there's just not enough hours in a day. What can I say? But I love that. So I will put links down below if you want to check them out. So I do like to try new things, and as I've used Cateared, as I say, in the past, been very happy with them. And when that lady put that one on her Facebook group and showed it, as I say, I think everybody thought the same and just went and ordered it. But yeah, it is still on the website. I've looked this morning, it was still there when I looked. And yeah, so there you are, Cateared. Lovely crystal flower, all in square gems. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this one with me. I think it's stunning, and I think when it's done, it's just going to be so sparkly. Okay, so if you've enjoyed looking at this with me, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. If you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.